Hi, and welcome to the Red Banyan channel. I'm Evan Neerman, founder and CEO of crisis communication firm Red Banyan. The topic that we're addressing today is PR tips for public relations graduates. Now, in case you haven't noticed, the world is kind of going through a reset at the moment. This is a pretty tough time. We've got a lot going on in the news, a lot going on nationally, a lot going on internationally. If you just look at the United States alone, we're looking at an economy that's really limping along in the wake, especially of the global pandemic, COVID-19, which has hit American businesses really hard. Depending on what part of the country you're in right now, you could be in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 of reopening and transitioning back to whatever we're going to consider real life or normal life going forward. I think the safe money is that things are not going to change for quite some time. And as far as the economy goes, it's going to get far worse before it starts to get better. So that makes it tough for those of you who are approaching graduation with a degree in public relations. Or maybe you're in the midst of your education, your studies right now, studying PR, studying communications, and trying to figure out what opportunities are gonna exist for you when you finally graduate. So I've got a couple thoughts because I have people who contact me, not just clients. Sometimes it's friends, family members, someone who knows someone whose niece is preparing to go to college and she's thinking about PR. And I get a lot of questions along the lines of, where should I study PR? Is PR a good major? If I graduate with a degree in PR communications, what can I do with it? So I think there are a couple things to keep in mind. And first and foremost, let's talk about this question related to master's degrees, higher education in PR. In a word, my reaction to master's degrees in PR is no. Here's why. This is a field that moves so quickly. Changes happen instantly. Technology comes on the scene that fundamentally shifts how reporters communicate with the public, how the public consumes information. We are moving at 150 miles per hour every single day, and the landscape is constantly evolving. If you go and enroll for a master's program in communications or PR, you're going to spend a lot of time learning about theory. You're going to read a lot of textbooks. You may even write a lot of papers. And at the end of the day, the world is spinning on its axis, and communications technology is evolving, and everything is moving forward except for you, because you're spending a lot of time in the classroom. Now, mind you, this is not meant to be a critique of academics or academia in general. I think certainly I had a great educational experience at my alma mater, George Washington University in Washington, D.C., and the School of Media and Public Affairs at GW is truly excellent. It's world class. All that being said, a master's degree in PR means that you are going to spend your time in the classroom reading theoretical things as opposed to refining your skills and putting them to the test in real world scenarios. So by and large, I believe that the education you can get from being engaged in PR, day-to-day showing up to work either in-house or at an agency, I believe is worth infinitely more experience-wise. You learn a lot more in real life than you're going to learn studying textbooks, reading reports, looking at case studies. That's my own opinion. Look, when we hire folks onto my team at Red Banyan and we're looking for account executives or senior account executives or account directors, mostly what we're looking for are two things: their skill set and their mindset. In terms of the skill set, we're really looking for great writers, because writing is a skill that today's students, by and large, don't have. And the ones who have it are in high demand because the written word still matters. The ability to quickly convince people to write compelling arguments, especially over email or in posts that are meant for an online consumption, that's critically important. So those of you who are good writers, keep going. You're going to have no problem when it comes to getting a great job in PR. Those of you who don't know how to write but see yourselves going into PR, good luck. You'll probably be best if you focus on other aspects, but you wouldn't be someone who here at Red Banyan we would be looking to bring on. So again, just to regroup, master's degree in PR, I'm not a huge believer in that. I'm much more interested in the two things, like I said, the skill set and the mindset. In addition to the skill set, writing first and foremost, is the person a good communicator? Can the person articulate an argument? Secondarily, and this is much harder to measure, but we really do our best to screen for it, is mindset. We want someone with the mindset of a champion, someone who is relentless, detail-oriented, looks at challenges as opportunities, not something that's going to defeat this person. So really what we typically hire for is more, in fact, the mindset than the skill set. Because we believe that if you hire smart people with a great mindset, you can help work with them and develop their skill set. So for those of you who are out there studying PR at the moment and you're thinking, should I get a master's degree? You can remember that Evan told me no. Doesn't mean I'm right, doesn't mean I understand your situation specifically. I'm just giving you my opinion as someone who has worked in PR for going on a quarter century, which is really shocking to hear, and I'm sure it's shocking for you to hear since I don't look like I've been doing this for 25 years, do I? Actually, the dark circles under my eyes and the lines probably do suggest that that's the case. So just to close this video up, the best thing you can do if you're studying PR is find yourself a job when you leave that's going to give you the biggest exposure to the widest variety of PR practices. Go for work either in-house or at an agency where you're going to get to try lots of different things, where you're going to get to hone your skills. Don't worry about what they're paying you to start with. Don't worry necessarily that you go to the biggest name firm or the biggest agency, because the truth of the matter is you may just be a small cog in a big wheel there. And you can get great experience also going to a small or a medium-sized business. But for those of you who are PR majors, that's great. We need more of you. The media still matters. How you communicate is more important than ever before. But instead of going for that master's degree, go get some experience first in the real world. I think what you're going to learn in real life is going to be infinitely more valuable than what you're going to pick up in a PR-related master's degree. And in the meantime, if you don't listen to me and you go and you pursue that master's degree, just know your colleagues who are graduating now and heeding this advice are going to be a lot better prepared for the marketplace than you are, and they'll have an advantage of gaining a couple of years of real useful experience that you don't have. Thanks for tuning in. Great to talk with you.